Hey everyone, my name is Miss Brianna and I'm a children's librarian at the Community Library of DeWitt in Jamesville. And today I want to talk to you about a cool bubble art project. This is another one of my favorite kinds of art projects, which is process art. So this project can be pretty quick or you can spend a lot of time playing around, but the point of process art is that it's all about the process. We don't care what the end product looks like, but usually it is pretty cool. All you're going to need for today's project is watercolor paint or food coloring, some dish soap, a little bit of water, some shallow bowls, and a straw, and then some paper, of course. The first thing you'll do is mix watercolor paint with a tiny bit of water and a few drops of dish soap. The dish soap is what allows the mixture to become really bubbly. So next you're going to mix it together and it looks like this. And then you blow into the bowl. If you're working with small children, I recommend an adult do this part. Then you take your piece of paper and you put it on top of the bubbles. And that's what it looks like. So it's as simple as that. Thanks again for joining me for another process art video. If you do this project at home, please take a picture and share it with us. We would love to see it.